Hey, what's up, yummy? It's nice having you on this channel today. And today's video, we are making soft, beautiful waakye with a touch of flavor and taste. I'm Yummy Cash, and you're welcome to this channel. So I have my black eyed peas here I got from the mats, and I pour it in the pan. I'm not going to measure it because I know exactly how I like my waakye, and normally I use the black beans when I do not want to add in the leaves, or when I don't have the leaves, the waakye leaves at hand. And I have a video up here or down in the description. You can check it out. So I will wash it and throw all the unwanted ones. So I'll take all the ones that are floating on the surface of the water and throw it away, because obviously they aren't good. That is why they are floating on top, and I add in more water and set it on fire. I know a lot of people soak their beans overnight before cooking it, and I presume it's because of the cooking hours. They just want to shorten it. However, I have never tried it before. I'm looking forward to trying it one day. It's been 15 minutes into cooking, and our beans is still very hard to touch. I'll add in more of the water, give it a stir, and then cover it once again to cook for additional, let's say, 20 minutes or 15 minutes, depends solely on how the cooking goes. So after 20 minutes of adding in the water, I'm going to add in the waakye leaves. But before I add in the waakye leaves, I'm going to take some of the beans out and set it aside, since it's too many and I don't like more beans in my waakye. But if you want more beans, or you like your waakye to have in more beans than the rice, I would say add in more of the beans. So at this point, the amount of beans in, I think it's okay for me. I'll then add the waakye leaves to it. And I must say that the waakye leaves have been washed very well. And I'm going to add in salt to taste. And I always love to add in a little over salt to enhance the taste and flavor of the whole food when it's completely done. I'll then add in a baking soda, which will bring the color of the leaves out to get that beautiful waakye color. And I know a lot of people who says baking soda isn't good. Woman, trust me, baking soda is medicinal. Oh yes, there are lots of health benefits in baking soda, so never let anyone deceive you. So I'll cover it and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, see how beautiful it's looking like. I'll take out all the leaves from it and then add in the rice. You don't want to leave the leaves in, and then after you're done cooking everything, you start taking it out. I mean, when you're eating, you will be removing all the leaves, you know. Emma udi watching a crowd feel it. You understand? After watching your den. Nothing will be haban film. I don't think you will even enjoy the rice. So I'll give it a stir and then cover it to cook for 2 minutes. I am saying 2 minutes because at this point I am going to be stirring the waakye. Basically, I can say it's waakye because it's now combined. Everything is in the pot now, and waakye consists of everything that is in the pot now. So I'm going to be stirring the waakye at 2 minutes interval. So almost, I would say 90% of the water is evaporated from it, and I must say the beans is really cooked. In short, completely cooked. You can eat it just like that without even adding the rice to it. That is how to get soft waakye. So after 2 minutes, I'll stir it for, let's say, 30 seconds or 1 minute, and then cover it, come back and stir it again. Now, the reason for stirring at 2-minute intervals till everything, I mean all the water or almost 90% of the water is evaporated from it, is just to enhance the softness of the waakye and enhance the flavor of it. Note, we are going in for flavor and softness in this recipe. As you can see, very beautiful, and almost all the water is evaporated. Now see how the waakye is looking like. Yes, very soft, and there is still more water in it. So I'll stir it for the last time and then cover it with any, you can cover it with rubber, you can cover it with baking sheet, you can cover it with napkin, anything that can cover that you have available at available at hand. It doesn't necessarily have to be something, one particular thing. For me, in this video, I used baking sheets. So you still keep checking it at, let's say, 5-minute interval, just to make sure that you don't burn your waakye. So at this point, you can see the waakye is already soft, but it needs some time. I'll then cover it again and leave it to cook for just 5 minutes, because at this point everything is cooked. And I have my stew here. That is my waakye stew, which I made, and I have a video of it down in the description, and my waakye is ready. Basically, this is how to get your waakye so soft, and trust me, this is good. Hey, yummy. Just try your hands on and you are going to love it, if only you are a lover of soft waakye. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you are subscribed to this channel for more of great recipes and simple recipes. My name still remains Yummy Cash, and once again, you're welcome to this channel, Yummy. Always remember to do everything in love, including liking this video in love, and not forgetting I have a recipe of this shito. Trust me, you're going to love it. Love it. Take care of yourself. Cheers.